JeaKen Presents. Practical advice for a clean and healthy mouth. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Obtaining quality dental care can be a challenging and intimidating process. The key to getting the service you and your family truly need is to take the time to do your research. By applying the tips below, you can prepare yourself to identify the care providers best suited to your unique needs. You can efficiently prevent tooth decay by using a mouthwash that contains fluoride. You should check the labels of the products you buy and look for fluoride. Do not take a fluoride supplement if you decide to use some mouthwash or toothpaste that is already enriched in fluoride. You need to visit the dentist twice a year for a check-up and cleaning to keep your mouth in tip-top shape. The cost is worth it when you consider how much you will be billed when you have to have a cavity filled, root canal or extraction. Don't forget the cost of dentures. Be realistic about your expectations for whitening toothpastes. The compounds and abrasives they contain are often very helpful at lightening the surface stains on your teeth, such as coffee stains. However, they are not going to address more serious issues like decay or stains that have penetrated the tooth enamel. Most dental experts agree that it is safe to use such toothpastes twice a day. Eat healthy fruits and vegetables to help keep teeth cleaned naturally. The natural abrasive qualities of fibrous fruits and vegetables, such as apples and carrots, help to break down and remove sticky plaque from teeth and gum lines. In addition to eating healthier snacks, you will be taking steps to keep your teeth looking their best. If your gums are consistently bleeding and swollen, it is important that you visit your dentist. While it could be something as simple as sensitive gums, it could be something as serious as heart disease. Your dentist can give you an examination and try to investigate the cause of your swollen, bleeding gums. Drinking soft drinks is not very good for you, but if you are going to have one, you should select one that is diet. Those of you that insist on drinking a full-calorie beverage should drinking it rather quickly instead of sipping it, since this limits the contact it makes with your teeth. Never assume that skipping your dental appointment is okay. Everyone should start getting dental care as soon as they are 6 months old. Dental checkups should be done every 6 months after. This holds true for children, teenagers, adults and the elderly. Everyone needs to see a dentist twice a year past their first birthday. If you are not sure which dentist to visit, talk to the people that you know. Chances are, if a family member or friend has had a good experience with a dentist, you will too. You can also speak with your doctor or check online to find possibilities that might be suitable. Making sure you get the type of dental care you want is not always easy. However, with the right sort of knowledge, the process can be made somewhat simpler. Keep the above tips close at hand, and you will be ready to find providers able to give you the attention and service you deserve. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.